Did you know that the way you cook your food could increase your risk of cancer? Certain cooking methods and ingredients can create carcinogens, which are substances that can promote the growth of cancer cells. Grilling, broiling, and frying foods at high temperatures can create carcinogens called heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Frying food in oil at high temperatures can also create acrylamide, a potential carcinogen. Acrylamide is found in potato chips, French fries, and other fried or baked foods. Processed meats such as hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats contain nitrates and nitrites, which can also increase your risk of developing cancer. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to reduce your exposure to cancer-causing substances in your kitchen. For example, washing fruits and vegetables can help remove pesticide residues. Steaming or boiling foods can also be a healthier alternative to grilling or frying. These cooking methods help keep the nutrients in your food intact while minimizing the production of carcinogens. Choosing whole plant-based foods can also help reduce your risk of cancer. Opt for fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. These foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help protect your cells from damage. By making these simple changes in your cooking habits and food choices, you can help reduce your risk of developing cancer and improve your overall health. Thank you for watching. I hope you find value in this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and put your post notifications on. See you in the next one.